Today we are going to learn about Ainos AI Nose, enhancing industrial safety. We will explore its capabilities, applications in various sectors, and how to integrate this AI technology into safety protocols effectively. Welcome to our video on Ainos AI Nose, enhancing industrial safety. Today, we'll delve into a fascinating technology that is making waves in the industrial sector, Ainos AI Nose. This AI-driven scent detection system is revolutionizing how industries approach safety by detecting hazardous substances before they pose a threat. Throughout this video, we'll explore the capabilities of Ainos AI Nose, its applications across various industries, real-world case studies, and how you can integrate this technology into your existing safety systems. By the end, you'll gain practical insights into improving worker safety and preventing accidents using AI scent technology. Ainos AI Nose is a cutting-edge technology designed to enhance industrial safety through advanced scent detection. This system uses artificial intelligence to identify and analyze various substances in the air, providing real-time monitoring of hazardous gases. One of its key features is its scalability and adaptability, allowing it to be customized for different industrial applications. Additionally, Ainos AI Nose can be seamlessly integrated with IoT systems, enabling automated responses and alerts in case of potential threats. The user-friendly interface ensures that operators can easily interpret data and make informed decisions swiftly. With Ainos AI Nose, industries can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall workplace safety. The role of AI in detecting hazardous gases is pivotal for modern industrial safety protocols. Traditional methods often rely on human observation or basic sensors, which can be prone to errors and delays. AI-driven systems like Ainos AI Nose offer early detection capabilities that significantly reduce the risk of exposure to dangerous substances. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems can identify patterns and predict potential threats, allowing for timely interventions. This not only enhances safety but also reduces the likelihood of costly downtime and repairs. Furthermore, AI's ability to continuously learn and adapt ensures that detection systems remain effective even as industrial environments evolve. Incorporating AI into safety protocols represents a cost-effective measure that prioritizes worker safety and operational efficiency. Ainos AI Nose finds applications across diverse industrial sectors, each with its unique safety challenges. In the oil and gas industry, for instance, the system is invaluable for detecting gas leaks that could lead to catastrophic explosions or environmental damage. Chemical manufacturing facilities benefit from AI Nose's ability to identify toxic vapors, ensuring that workers are alerted to potential dangers swiftly. In the food processing sector, maintaining air quality standards is crucial to prevent contamination, a task where AI Nose excels. Meanwhile, pharmaceutical companies rely on this technology to monitor the production environment for harmful substances, ensuring product integrity and compliance with health regulations. By providing tailored solutions for each sector, Ainos AI Nose enhances safety and operational efficiency across the board.
Let's explore some real-world case studies where Ainos AI Nose has been successfully implemented. In one instance, a major oil refinery integrated the technology into their safety protocols, resulting in a 40% reduction in incident rates within the first year. By providing early warnings of gas leaks, the refinery not only improved its safety record but also saw a significant decrease in costly shutdowns. Another case involved a chemical plant that adopted AI Nose to monitor airborne toxins. The technology enabled the plant to maintain compliance with safety regulations, reducing the risk of fines and boosting employee confidence. These examples highlight the transformative impact of Ainos AI Nose, demonstrating how it can enhance both safety and operational efficiency in real-world settings. Industrial environments pose unique challenges that require robust and adaptable safety solutions. Factors such as extreme temperatures, humidity, and the presence of various chemicals can affect the performance of detection systems. Ainos AI Nose is designed to withstand such harsh conditions, maintaining its sensitivity and accuracy. The system employs advanced algorithms that account for environmental variables, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, it features a continuous improvement mechanism, where machine learning capabilities enable the system to adapt to changing conditions over time. By addressing these challenges head-on, Ainos AI Nose provides a dependable solution for industries looking to enhance their safety protocols in even the most demanding environments. Integrating Ainos AI Nose with existing safety systems is a seamless process designed to enhance current safety measures without causing disruption. The technology is compatible with a wide range of industrial systems, allowing for straightforward integration. Once implemented, Ainos AI Nose works alongside existing protocols to provide an additional layer of protection. This integration streamlines processes by automating responses to detected threats and alerting personnel in real time. Industries can thus enhance their safety measures without overhauling their current systems, minimizing disruption and ensuring continuous protection. The adaptability and compatibility of Ainos AI Nose make it an ideal choice for industries seeking to upgrade their safety protocols efficiently. To maximize the benefits of Ainos AI Nose, comprehensive training and regular maintenance are essential. Industries should implement training programs that empower staff with the knowledge needed to operate and interpret the system effectively. Such training should cover system functionalities, data interpretation, and emergency response protocols. Regular maintenance is equally important to ensure the system's optimal performance. This includes routine checks, software updates, and calibration to maintain accuracy. By investing in training and maintenance, industries can ensure long-term safety benefits, reducing the risk of accidents and improving overall operational efficiency. A well-maintained system, operated by knowledgeable staff, forms the backbone of effective industrial safety protocols. In today's industrial landscape, regulatory compliance and adherence to safety standards are non-negotiable. Ainos AI Nose assists industries in meeting these requirements by providing reliable and accurate monitoring of hazardous substances. By ensuring compliance, the technology reduces liability risks associated with safety breaches and enhances industry reputation. Ainos AI Nose's ability to provide comprehensive documentation and reporting further supports compliance. Robust and reliable solution for detecting hazardous substances. By leveraging AI, this technology enhances safety measures, reduces risks, and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. As we have explored, its applications across various sectors and successful real-world implementations demonstrate its transformative potential. We encourage industries to consider integrating Ainos AI Nose into their safety protocols to safeguard their workforce and operations. With a commitment to continuous improvement and adaptation, Ainos AI Nose is poised to shape the future of industrial safety, ensuring a safer, more efficient environment for all.